Hi there, how are you? Let's make a delightful cherry pie in a glass to celebrate the spring summer. We'll prepare the components first and then assemble the pie. So whom will you make it for? Are you a new visitor? Do consider subscribing for interesting and easy recipes. I'm using tin cherries for this recipe. Pinch the cherries to de-seed them or pit them. 3/4 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of sugar and a cup of the cherry syrup from the tin. Mix it well. Add in a drop of red food coloring. This is optional. Add in the cherry syrup mix into a pan. Cook it on low heat till the sugar dissolves. Add in the cherries that we had pitted and a few drops of almond essence. Mix and let the sauce thicken. The sauce has thickened. That's done. Turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. To make the cottage cheese, bring the milk to a boil and turn off the heat. Once it settles down, add in synthetic vinegar or lemon juice, about half a tablespoon at a time. Mix it well. Add in more till the milk curdles. That's perfect. The cheese has separated from the milk. Strain it and keep it aside. Take the cottage cheese in a mixie jar. Add in about 2 tablespoons of icing sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, a dollop of whipped cream and blend it to a smooth paste. That's how it looks. Smooth and creamy. This is 1 1/4 cups of arrowroot biscuit crumbs. You could use digestive biscuits instead. And 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. Combine them thoroughly. Add in 6 to 8 tablespoons of melted butter and mix till the mixture resembles wet sand. And that's ready. To make the hung curd, drain the full fat yogurt in the fridge overnight. Take 3/4 cups of the hung curd. Add in some chilled condensed milk. This is sweetened condensed milk. An equal amount of it. Whisk it together till it's well combined and smooth. I made the custard with custard powder, milk and sugar. Click the link above for the recipe. The custard has cooled down completely. Add in about a cup of the custard into the cream cheese mixture and combine the two. That's ready. We have the biscuit crumbs, the cream cheese pudding and the cherry syrup. I have the glasses. You could set them in a jar or in a pie dish as well. Let's begin with the biscuit base. I'm using a small glass to just press the biscuits in place. Tap lightly to set a smooth top. The cream cheese pudding goes in next. Smooth the tops with the back of the spoon. Cherry sauce. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section. Make sure to cover the top with the sauce. Time to put them in the fridge for an hour. After about an hour, I got the glasses out of the fridge and they look set. I've filled the cottage cheese cream into an icing bag and fitted it with a star nozzle. And just decorate the glasses. I'll just put them in the fridge for half an hour to set.
Serve the pie chilled and be prepared to be asked for second helpings.